What's up, guys? This video is a little more of an informational. This is going to be about Bitbot. Now, I'm going to go over several things. I'm going to go over what Bitbot is, how it works, why I added it to my channel, some examples of it, how the refunds work, and whatever else I think should be covered. All right, so stay tuned. It's going to be a pretty quick video. I'm going to try and get over this stuff pretty fast. It's a pretty simple bot, and I think it's going to bring an excellent layer of content to the already content flourishing channel that we are. Anyway, stay tuned. We're going to go over it right now. First thing we're going to go over, what is Bitbot? So Bitbot is a software you put on your gaming PC or whatever PC it is that you play your game on. It lets your viewers donate bits, and you set up in the bot the exact amount of bits that need to be sent for a trigger. Now the trigger will make many different things happen, all of which you set up with your keybinds on your keyboard or your mouse. So for example, someone can donate 101 bits on my channel and it'll make me prone out in my game. They can donate a certain amount of bits. It'll make me stare up at the sky, and I'm stuck staring at the sky for however many seconds you program. I'm being shot. Oh no, I'm dead. I'm fucking so dead, bro. Oh no. I just.
I'm covering you.
So you basically assign keybinds on your keyboard or your mouse to a trigger that your viewers can trigger via bits. All right, so I'm going to show you how it works now. I've got the software up right here. So I've got many different triggers, and I've got it set up for two different games. We've got EFT, Escape from Tarkov, and Warzone. Now it switches between a couple of these. They're dump mag and dump mag for Warzone. So if I'm on Warzone, obviously the stakes are a little bit lower if you're dumping a mag, albeit you could still ruin my game. But I felt that it was a better idea to have the bits trigger amount for Warzone to be lower than Escape from Tarkov. So I figured out how to do that. I set up multiple profiles, and then this exact command list will be in Discord, and it's in my Twitch links, or sorry, my Twitch panels underneath my stream. So you can see these. Now another really nice thing is there's different queues. Now I set up a movement queue, as you can see right here, and a firing queue, an input. There's a bunch of different stuff. So basically what that means is rather than one thing executing and then another thing executing after that, multiple things can execute at the same time. So if you want to make me do 360s and dump a mag at the same time, you can. If you want to dump my mag or make me prone out at the same time, you can. You can make me throw a grenade and jump in the air. So you can do multiple things to me at one time. So I'm gonna leave that stuff up to you guys. I'm not trying to give you any ideas, because there is a way that you can kill me almost every time in Tarkov, and I'm not gonna say it just for my own self-preservation. But anyway, it's a really cool thing that we got here. It can be triggered by bits. I can set up donations, channel points, all sorts of different stuff. I have it for bits only right now, just to keep it simple. But again, it's a really, really cool tool. I've got a lot of stuff that I want to add to it eventually, as well as things that viewers have told me, like, you know, walk backwards for 5 seconds. So I can't walk forwards anymore. And it literally, I can let go of my keyboard and it does whatever you guys trigger. So it's a really, really, really neat and unique thing added to the stream. Okay, a quick thing I want to go over is refunds. So obviously it's a bot, it's software, it's going to have its faults here and there. But most importantly, sometimes if you don't time things properly, then it's not going to happen. For example, if you try to dump a mag and I'm sprinting in Tarkov, it's not going to shoot. It doesn't shoot when you're sprinting in that game. So being, as a viewer, being aware of what's going on in the game that I'm playing and trying to time it right, that's part of the fun. But if I feel it's necessary, I will refund you. And the way that that works is, actually, let's switch over to this PC. I will show you exactly how that works. I've got a thing in Discord where it's got all of the commands for the refund, and essentially, if obviously bits can't be refunded, right? So if you had the intent to use something, you'll be refunded that exact same command, and you can use it in chat rather than using it in bits. So if we switch over to this PC, we will open up a new channel called Bitbot Commands. So I will always have the most up-to-date version of this in here. This is the current one right now, and this is the refund commands. So say for example, you try to dump my mag in Tarkov, and I'm sprinting, and most of the time I'm going to give you a refund. Probably all the time I'm going to give you a refund, especially in the beginning of this Bitbot, since we'll be learning and there's gonna be a big learning curve. I'll be working with you guys. We'll be all learning together. So again, say you try to dump my mag and it doesn't work for whatever reason, I will refund you, and then whatever you want, you will do !dump mag in my chat. So if you have to look this stuff up, it's going to be right here. It's in the Bitbot Commands channel in Discord. I'm also considering making this a screenshot and having it as a Twitch panel alongside this one, so they'll be right next to each other. But for now, this is how we're doing it. These will always be up to date with each other. And if I add a new command, this channel will turn white instead of being grayed out, and it'll have a new updated photo and a new updated commands list for refunds. The last thing I'd like to go over is why I added this to my channel. Now, I've only had it up for a few days. We've done quite a bit of testing. I've had some viewers help me out. I've had my wife help me out, and we've done a fair amount of testing with the bot. It seems to be very stable. Everything seems to be working very well. I've gained a lot of knowledge with it. I've got a lot of ideas to add stuff to it. I'm even considering adding the sound alerts to it. So the reason I added it, the main reason, is viewer interaction. I love, for example, we added sound alerts about 6 months ago. I was kind of iffy of it. I didn't know if I was going to even keep it on for like full time. Like maybe I'd have nights for it. But it's become not only an exciting part of my stream for you guys and for me. I thought I'd get used to them. I don't think I can ever get used to them. But anyway, it just brings another level of viewer interaction and some viewership control over what I'm doing. So it's a nice thing. And this is the first time I've ever been able to actually incorporate viewers being able to do things in my game. Obviously I can chat, I can interact with you, chat to person, we can talk. You guys can hit me with sound alerts and get interactions out of me, so you can hit my ears as well. Now you can literally do change things in my game. You can make me turn, you can make me look up in the sky, you can make me dump a mag, throw a grenade, prone out, fire a bullet, you can make me teabag, you can force close my game, you can do all sorts of stuff. And I find that the viewer interaction and allowing viewers to have some control over what's going on in the stream makes for great content. And obviously my job is to make great content, and including you guys in that is paramount, a part of it in my opinion. And it makes for great content for YouTube videos as well. And they're bits. I get paid with subs, bits, donos. Bits help me out, obviously, and it's just a win-win for everybody. And at the end of the day, I love the viewer interaction. And even though in the moment I might be like, oh, why did you guys force close my game? Why did you dump my very last mag? Why did you kill me and my teammate in Tarkov with one grenade? At the end of the day, it's funny and it makes for good content. And yeah, that about sums it up. Anyway, thank you guys. I love you. I could not do this without you guys, and stay savage. I will be live literally every day from here forward. I stream 7 days a week now. 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. I usually stream about 8 to 10 hours, and we're doing 7 days a week right now. So anyway, I love you guys. I know I'm rambling. Get out of here. Have a great day, night, etc. Stay savage and peace. Oh shit, dude.
Shit, homie, dude.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna get killed there.
No, dude.
They were trying. They were fucking
Oh
trying.
my god, brother.
Don't
Yo,
aim at me.